Want to achieve energy independence? Looking for a battery that's smart, durable and stylish? Today let's explore the latest concept in wall-mounted batteries from ecoworthy. Each wall-mounted battery comes in two packages. Here's what's inside. The big package has the battery manuals, installation sheet, wall-mounted bracket, feet with fixing strip, parallel communication and grounding cables, protective covers and screws. Inside a small package, a cable box, manual and the screws and wrench you may need. Let's zoom in on the battery. Here you can see positive and negative terminals. The terminals are M8 sized and it can handle a maximum current of 200 amperes. Meanwhile, you can locate all the communication interfaces on the top of the battery. Here is the RS485 port, which supports connections to inverters, a host computer or a solar assistant. The CAN port is typically used for inverters or host computers. The RS232 port can be connected to a host computer. The RS485 and 3 ports support battery-to-battery communication. A power switch, 125 ampere circuit breaker and trip unit assembly are located on the side. This integrated hardware protection adds an extra safety layer alongside the BMS, ensuring reliable circuit breaker tripping. A 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen and status indicator lights that display battery operating status and SOC are located on the front. You can see that ecoworthy places all external interfaces at the top of this wall-mounted battery, making wiring and cable routing much easier, especially when used with the cable management box. You can mount this box directly onto the wall-mounted battery. The front features a simple, easy-to-open door, allowing you to check the inside at any time. You can also add additional bus bar here using the pre-drilled mounting holes. There are openings on the sides and top for DIY wiring or conduit routing. Now let's open the battery. Before touching the battery cells or any internal circuits, please put on protective gloves to ensure safety. Also, before lifting the cover completely, remember to disconnect the cable connected to the display screen. When you open the battery, you will find an insulated PC board lined on the top layer. We can remove this board to showcase the internal structure. The wiring inside the battery is neatly arranged for a clean appearance. Excellent craftsmanship and quality materials combined are why we proudly offer a 10-year warranty on this battery. This is the heart of the battery. 16 Grade-A low-temperature cells. With improvements to the anode material, anode coating and electrolyte, these cells reduce internal resistance at low temperatures, allowing safe charge and discharge down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Between the cells are raised bus bars. This flexible design accommodates slight expansion and prevents damage from cell swelling. Cell monitoring wires attached to the bus bars track the voltage and temperature of each cell in real time. The battery uses a new method for internal power transmission, flexible copper bus bars. Compared with standard wires, these flexible bus bars improve current carrying efficiency, optimize heat dissipation, and prevent the problems caused by bending traditional wires beyond their capacity. To enhance connectivity, the Wi-Fi antenna is placed at the front, so you can monitor your battery via Bluetooth from up to 15 meters away. Why do we have this wall-mounted battery? This is a more complete wall-mounted battery compared to others on the market. It's safer and more attractive. While keeping most standard battery features, it also adds extra functions like low-temperature cells, remote emergency stop, and the copper bus bar design. Just as a side note, this battery is designed to be easier to install, with added features to assist installation, and it supports both floor standing and wall-mounted setups. What features do you value most in a battery? Feel free to share your thoughts. There are also some reserved design details in this model for you to discover. Now you can get ecoworthy wall-mounted batteries on the official website, Amazon or eBay. The more you buy, the bigger the discount. If you purchase 2 batteries, we'll include a free pair of bus bars. You'll really be impressed by our competitive pricing. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram for the latest product news, exclusive promotions and surprise giveaways. See you!